Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get organic supports in PrusaSlicer. So first thing what we are going to do is change your mode. So at the top right corner, if you are in the beginner mode, change it to expert mode. I have explained this, what everything means in previous videos, so check this out. But now let's jump into our topic of this video. So now next thing is we go here to the print settings and look at the sidebar on the left side of the page and click support material. So support material right here and check the box at the top labeled generate support material. So this one here, if you don't have it, check it. Scroll down slightly to find the option for support material and Raft. So option for support material and Raft, you have see here that we have bunch of options. Um, Now locate the drop down menu named style. So basically it's the first one here and change it from grid or snug to organic. Now right above the style settings or somewhere here or below, sorry, uh, you will see the supports drop down menu. You can control where these three like branches sprout from. Um, so